Hi car buddies! Welcome again to another video. So for today's video, we are at home because we're going to do an unboxing video of the 70mm Dashcam A510 set. But before that, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, CarViewPH, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. Founded in 2016, 70mm is a top company specializing in dashboard cameras. It has become a global leader across over 100 countries, including Europe, Southeast Asia, North America, and the Asia Pacific. This 70mm dash camera A510 is the next generation of their best-selling dashcam, which is the A500s, with annual global sales exceeding 500,000 units. Praised for its sleek design and advanced features, the A500s has set this standard. Evolving from 70mm's most versatile product, the A510 takes up a notch with better image quality, supports 4G connectivity, provides enhanced security features, and boasts smarter operation, making it the most versatile product in the market segment. But before we unbox this camera, guys, we're going to unbox first its Hardwire Kit UP04 4G adapter, which is an accessory that allows this camera to be upgraded with 24/7 parking surveillance and internet access. So ngayon, car buddies, buksan na natin itong ating 70mm 4G Hardwire Kit. Tignan natin kung anong laman niya. But first, I would like to commend the packaging, guys. It's very luxurious, no? And ang ganda ng dating, ang linis. So, sa loob ng ating kit ay meron tayong ito. So, dalawa lang yung laman niya, guys. Meron tayo nung 4G Hardwire Kit. And, buksan na natin. Meron siyang ganitong pabilog with 70mm logo, and yung ating power cable. Meron din tayo sa loob manual. Ayan. So car buddies, thanks to this device, this camera can use power from the car battery to record events when the car is parked. So it monitors the car battery voltage to ensure na mataas ito enough to start the engine. That way, yung use ng ating parking surveillance will never stand in the way of starting the engine. With this device, guys, our drivers can enjoy all the features of the 70mm dash camera. Connecting the 70mm dashcam to this kit will allow you to view the live view of the camera remotely via your phone, receive events notification directly to your phone, and it also gives you access to car find and route tracking functions. So car buddies, this kit is fitted with ACC, VCC, and GND. So ito yung mga wire na ikakabit nyo sa battery ninyo para gumana yung camera kahit na nakapatay yung inyong mga sasakyan. Then, ito namang isang cord is the USB Type-C terminal to connect to the 70mm dashcam. That's it for the kit, guys. Buksan na natin yung ating pinakahihintay na dash camera. Ngayon naman, car buddies, i-unbox na natin itong 70mm Dashcam A510 set. So, ang ganda talaga ng packaging niya, guys, no? Very sleek, very demure, very mindful. Dahan-dahan lang tayo. Malapit. Wala pa. So, dito guys, nandito yung ating manual and yung ating mga electrostatic stickers. And then, andito din yung ating mga cables, no? Meron tayo ditong rear power cable, installation tool, power cable. Yan, mga cable guys. Mga cable. And then, of course, ang ating front camera and our rear camera. So, car buddies, since it features Sony, which is a reputable brand of camera, we can expect na these cameras can provide us with clear visuals and images. So with 60 frames per second, makakatch talaga niya lahat ng details, even the plate numbers and road signs na nasa kalsada. As I've mentioned guys, meron tayong front and rear camera because 70mm Dashcam provides a dual channel recording with a resolution of 5 megapixel and 1944p. And this is also wide angle, so nakakatch niya up to around 140 degrees. In addition guys, these cameras can be rotated. So ayan, as you can see, naiikot ko siya. And ito ding rear. So ayan, up to 360 degrees yun siya pwedeng maikot. And pag-usapan naman natin yung kanyang mga features, guys. So, it has 24 hours parking surveillance. So, kung iniisip nyo na hindi siya namamatay ng 24 hours and masyadong mahaba yung mga videos na makaka-capture ninyo, you are wrong, guys, because our camera can be optimized. So, nagbibigay to ng optimization up to 1 frame per second. Meaning, yung 30 minutes na video na makaka-capture ng ating cameras ay magiging 1 minute na lang. And this 24 hours parking surveillance can be controlled using your devices or your phone. Kasi nga, pwede natin siyang i-connect sa ating phone. So, using our phone, pwede natin baguhin yung mga settings like yung duration. Kung gusto nyo hindi 24 hours, kung gusto nyo 12 hours lang or 8 hours, pwede nyong baguhin doon. Meron din tayo doon collision detection. So, very high-tech tong collision detection, guys. Kasi ibig sabihin nito, kapag nabangga yung kotse nyo or may collision na nangyari, magpi-pre-roll agad yung camera natin ng 5 seconds up to 25 seconds para hindi na kayo maghahanap sa sobrang haba na recording. So, automatically, yung pre-roll na 5 seconds before collision, up to hanggang 25 seconds, masisave na siya agad doon sa events folder na pwede nyong makita sa inyong mga cellphones. Also, pwede nyo din dito baguhin yung sensitivity and also yung response. Another feature niya, guys, is meron na siyang built-in GPS and ADAS. So, isipin nyo, guys, kung meron kayong lumang kotse na walang kahit na anong safety feature, pag kinabitan nyo siya nitong ating dashcam, magkakaroon na kayo ng ADAS, which are the lane departure alert, front vehicle startup, forward collision alert, and of course, yung ating GPS, ine-enable niya yung ating route tracking. So, kahit na hindi kayo yung nagdadrive, matatrack nyo kung nasa na ba yung sasakyan nyo using your phone. And also, doon sa ating screen ng ating dashcam, ito, dito, sa screen ng ating dashcam, makikita natin yung details like kung gaano na ba tayo kabilis, no? Yung ating kilometers per hour, yung time and date nung image na yun or yung video na yun, and the exact compass navigation of a specific location. Aside from that, no, add ko lang din sa screen, meron tayong tinatawag na PIP mode or yung picture-in-picture mode, meaning dalawang views yung pwede nating makita, merong sa front cam and sa rear cam na makikita natin doon sa ating screen. Additional feature niya, guys, ay yung kanina ko pang binabanggit na app control. So, these cameras are powered by or compatible with 4G. So, pwede natin siyang i-connect sa cellphones natin. Kailangan lang natin lagyan ito ng SIM card para ma-activate. So, kapag na-connect na natin siya sa phone natin, which is very easy lang, so one tap up lang, kailangan lang nating i-download yung app ng 70My at napakadali nitong i-connect. Using our phones, pwede nating i-modify yung cam settings. Meron tayong app live, which is, yun nga yung ginagamit natin for remote surveillance. Meron din tayong Find My Car, just in case, wag naman makarnap ang inyong mga sasakyan. Meron tayong vehicle location. And of course, yung mga alerts ng ating ADAS ay makikita din natin sa ating cellphone. Ipakita ko lang din sa inyo, guys, ng malinaw yung iba pang mga contents, no? So, ito yung cable na nakakonect dito sa ating rear camera. So, ipagko-connect nyo siyang ganyan. And then, ito naman yung cable, power cable natin na may ko-connect natin dito. And ito naman yung ating installation tool. Ayan. Ito, dito natin i-mount yung camera. So ngayon naman, car buddies, ay ipapa-install na natin itong mga cameras sa ating Innova. But before that, syempre kailangan natin bumili ng memory card and SIM card na din. For the memory guys, I suggest na bumili na kayo ng malaking gig. So siguro mga 128 gig and up para mas matagal nyong magamit or hindi agad ma-delete yung files nyo. Kasi I believe nagro-rotate yan, no? Yung pinakaluma yung file na di-delete. So para mas matagal yung magamit yung memory card, malaki ng gig yung, or malaking storage na yung bilhin nyo. So car buddies, that is it for the unboxing and the product features of our 70-my Dashcam A510. For the conclusion guys, no, ang masasabi ko lang, para doon sa mga naghahanap ng dashcam, this is a very good choice for you. Actually, great choice, no? It has great performance at any time and weather. Kung mamaya may papakita kaming clip sa inyo ng daytime and nighttime, napakaganda niya talaga guys. And in addition, sobrang high-tech niya with its features. Meron pa siyang ADAS. So, kompletong-kompleto yung features niya. Kaya, perfecto para doon sa mga naghahanap ng dashcam. So, kung interested kayo guys, I believe ang amount nito ay nasa around 6,000 pesos for the camera and for the kit, around 2,000 pesos. For the exact amount, you can check yung mga links sa baba. So, pwede nyo yung i-check out sa Lazada and Shopee store. So, ipopost na lang din namin sa description box yung link kung saan nyo to pwedeng matagpuan. So, that is it guys. Naipakita na namin sa inyo lahat ng features ng ating 70-my Dashcam A510. Again, thank you so much 70-my for sending us this product. And kung meron pa kayong ibang gustong ipa-review dyan guys, if meron pang mga brands out there na nanonood ng aming vlog at gusto nyo na ma-review namin or ma-unbox namin yung products nyo to share to our car buddies, don't forget to message us on our page sa Facebook. So, ipa-flash na lang namin yan. And, of course, if sa ating mga viewers, kung meron pa kayong gustong makita or gusto pa kayong i-review namin, you can comment below. Before I end this vlog, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, CarViewPH, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. See you on our next video! Bye!